Hi, I'm Dan Guerrero, and I'm a producer and director, and I watch and am riveted by Shadow Ridge YouTube channel.
The following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
So again, you'll have lots of things to write about in your reflection. I can just hear all of you. So what I'm giving you now is a little bone chart, so that way as we begin to find those bones, you can maybe start to match them up to figure out what kind of animal. Okay, great.
Yeah, that is going to be probably one of the leg
start to
bones for
separate.
sure.
You can start putting the fur, really get in there because there might be some hidden bone. Just the globs of fur separate from your bones.
Sounds like a crunchy chip every time I touch it. They had
So good.
I can't tell if it's a stick or a bone.
Oh, now you have to try and figure out what type of skull.
Oh god, I thought it was that's a tiny bone.
Will you count the top of the skull? Look at that.
Oh, that just be so
cool.
good.
Check out the leg bone that Danielle found.
Look at all of that. That is so cool.
This one
You got a bunch of ribs in there too.
Those are ribs.
So this is a
I
rib.
really can't tell. Found any bones left?
See, it looks like a hook.
No, not anymore.
Those are ribs. Whoops.
You okay?
That's cool. Now we both got clothes.
What is this? Don't smell it.
I have another one in here too. Wait, you want to see it? Yeah.
Alright.
Oh
What is
my
this?
There's bones in my hand.
It could be vertebrae bones. Like the smaller bones could be backbones. Oh wait, here's one for you. Keep it on here.
I thought
And that's probably a vertebrae.
Okay, well, no, both my
The backbone.
How are you doing?
I don't know. I mean,
Okay,
backbones.
let's try to get
You have a rodent.
A rodent too?
Mm-hmm.
I got a bone. I have like the same.
That's not a stick, that's a bone.
What bone is this? I'm gonna use my knife.
What?
Yeah, actually,
The
it's
hip?
easier to
The-
oh god.
This is
Oh,
Oh, what is that? I got a neck bone.
this part is hard.
Okay.
Too hard. They all look the same.
Yeah, I do not want to come out.
The bottom jaw.
I think I found some ribs.
Yeah.
You did?
So that would be on the bottom.
Yeah, I think
To
about
bite.
it too.
Oh, that would
I think I have this one with a dinosaur.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I got two back bones. I got a rib.
Oh my gosh. Please don't break this. Oh, I got it.
Oh,
I got a rib.
Oh. I think I broke like that's very cool.
Oh my goodness.
How did?
Oh, you gotta fight it.
It's just
I'm
a
sorry.
I know. You also have the teeth of the one.
I think I'm scared.
Me too.
It
Danielle,
looks like it.
is this just fur here?
I don't know.
Never boring. There's always something fun here at Shadow Ridge School.
Hi, it's in Shadow Ridge School, the best indie in the HD.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah Fowler and I'm from Shadow Ridge, the best indie school out here in Hesperia. You know what it is.
I go to Shadow Ridge School, the best Indian HD.